Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and again this is Lorie, and in today's video guys we are going to check another apartment here in Camarines Sur, Bicol, in the province of Camarines Sur here in the Philippines. So this is the room. This is the room guys. Yep, come on. So look at the room guys, look how beautiful it is, right? So let me close the door because there's dog barking. Okay, so as you can see guys, when you first came inside, you will see there's sink. You will see the cabinet. Look at that. They have two cabinets here, huge cabinets. Okay, and then more cabinets here. And another cabinet here guys, and then they have sink here. Look, there's running water, and also here too guys, they also have here another plug. So if you have like a refrigerator, like a small refrigerator, you can put it here. And as you can see, they have this one here, 1, 2, second light for here, but there's no light actually this time. So it's going to be a little dark guys because of the light, but they have two beautiful windows and it's sealed guys. And here, and as you can see upstairs, we have here a square, a hole. And if you decided to have an aircon, you can put an aircon there. It's ready guys, you know. And then they have lots of plugs here. 1, 2, they have more here. 3, 4, 5 plugs here. So you can put here a single bed guys, or a double side bed, and then you can have here a TV, a small TV, this one, and here is going to be your dining area. You can have a small size of table here. Okay, this is just an idea if you want. And then here guys, they have here their bathroom. So they have here sink. They have sink guys, and it has running water too. They have here the thing for the towel. They have it's working, the flush, the toilet. It is very not common for apartments in the province to have this, you know, so this is very nice to have this toilet. And they also have a shower. Perfect. And it's high ceiling guys. From this, look at from here to that, it's a high ceiling. It's a very nice size, perfect for one person. Okay, so for those who are wondering like how much this apartment would cost, this is 4,500 Philippine pesos, and in USD it's 81 USD guys. Okay, also if like for example if you want to move in, you have to pay for 1 month advance and 1 month deposit. You will have your own bills for water and electric because that's not included to that 81 USD. But the good thing about here is you have your own what do you call this, the thing for the water and electricity. But if you need internet or Wi-Fi for a short time, downstairs they have a machine like a peso Wi-Fi, something like that, and then you just put 1 peso or 5 pesos and you will have Wi-Fi. Okay, and also downstairs they have market. It's already downstairs, the market. So if you need squash, if you need onions, tomatoes, and everything, it's downstairs guys. It's very accessible. Schools, walking distance, malls, walking distance, parks are walking distance, and you know, like it's walking distance. It's already here. Everything that you need, it's ready here guys. So yeah, I will show you guys how it looks like downstairs. This building as well, they have CCTV cameras, and so more apartments. This is how it looks outside. Guys, so we're going downstairs now. I will show you how it looks like downstairs, and it's very interesting to find out that, it's the market's already there. If you want some vegetables, you can buy some vegetables downstairs. So come on, guys. Uh, this is what I was telling you guys. Peso Wi-Fi. You can have 1 peso for 10 minutes. For 1 peso, you will have 10 minutes like access to the Wi-Fi, and 5 peso for 5 hours. Wow. Okay, so all you have to do is put the coin there. So this is the market, guys. Look at the market. Just downstairs, you'll have it already. Meat, vegetables, everything they have. Hannah, can you please show the thing? This is guys the building. They have here everything, guys. Like thrift store, clothes, vegetables, everything. They have everything. Thrift store. But if you have questions, you can comment down below. We are going to answer those for you. Thank you for watching, and once again, this is Lorie. Peace.